Hello all, new day, new video, another brand, another toy. This is a very iconic brand in rallies, motorsports, GTs, touring cars. So first of the lot comes this one. With this model in particular is a Ford GT, and this is a Lamo version of this. So it's a Ford GT LM. This runs in touring car championships and endurance championships, particularly Lamo 24 hours. You can see over here Ford GT LM, and this is from Mattel Hot Wheels, made in Malaysia. And you can see the number 1 racing number on this. So it's Ford mentioned over here. Plus these are all the official sponsors which Ford works with. Very detailed version, unique alloys, as you see, 5-spoke motorsport alloys, performance alloys, the performance big spoiler. I think the inside layout was not there, the racing stripes are there, smoke headlamps, as you see. Second one comes Ford F-150, famous pickup truck, or a performance truck also. Trucks works in truck series as well. You can see the Ford branding, which Hot Wheels ka branding hai. Again there is a Ford oval over here, and then again the Ford oval over here front. Nice detailed one, but ये लोग headlights और tail lamps का details properly नहीं बनाते. I don't know why. This is Ford F-150, and then again Ford F-150. अब आप बोलोगे दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है? डिफरेंस इज दिस इज फ्रॉम हॉट व्हील्स एंड दिस इज फ्रॉम मेजोरेट. एज पर द मैन्युफैक्चरर, both of the toy brands have interpreted different version, different detail and different bits and bits on the car. आप देख सकते हो, it's a 2-door but there's plenty of space for the second door here. This one from Majorette, although almost the same size, the quality and the detail is different. This is a limited edition, the beast version of this Ford F-150. इसके decals भी वैसे दिए हुए हैं गाड़ी के. The beast it is written over here. यहाँ पे साइड में decals हैं, यहाँ पे भी साइड में decals हैं, but the decals are different totally. Rooftop color, this is the same color, this is a different color. Again bonnet single color, dual tone bonnet. Headlamps you can see almost similar. Okay, blue oval का mark है यहाँ पे. On the fender there is a blue oval over here, but I can't find it on this one either side, but it is there over here. Ford, proper clear Ford logo is mentioned on the back as well, plus red color headlamps are proper. You can't see these things in this car, it's not there in this car. The other major difference is, guys, this car does not have any opening thing, while this car has a bonnet opening. So wow, this looks awesome. So since the bonnet opens, इन लोगों ने bonnet का भी inside layout बनाया हुआ है, engine layout, engine compartment layout they have done properly. See, it's clear, black engine compartment layout. This is a limited edition from Majorette. It's more premium offering of Majorette. It's called Majorette Premium, and it's costlier than the regular Hot Wheels as well. There is driver and passenger compartment layout proper in both of them. But यहाँ पे that clear glass is also there, whilst as regular Hot Wheels has kept it open over here. See, it is open. Here it is closed. Still the layout is inside proper. Alloy wheels obviously, but different designs. This is a 10-spoke alloy. There is a 5-spoke alloy but double spoke. Majorette is made in Thailand. Hot Wheels is made in Indonesia. Both toy brands have done a great job. I still feel Majorette is a bit better detailed one. You can get the Hot Wheels one in the Hot Wheels stores or the Hamleys stores, or maybe online as well. But this one you will not get easily over here, the Majorette one. बहुत मुश्किल से मुझे मिला है. You can check if it is available. If yes, definitely you can add it to your collection. So guys, that's it. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, to my channel. We'll be back with more videos. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Bye bye.